Hi, my name is Daughter Evelyn. I'm a Jawad teacher and also a tutor on the accredited Jawad belly dance training courses. In this video, I want to go over some of the basic technique for twists, also known as swerves. Now, it's a very well-known move that's used for on-the-spot variations as well as traveling. And in this video, I really just want to nail down the posture and the pure basics, and then there's also a video on how to take it further. So it always comes down to posture, because if your posture's not right, you can't use the right muscles and the move's not going to be spot on. So start by aligning your joints, your ankles, your knees and your hips facing forwards. We're tucking under by engaging our core, tucking under about 30% or so, and we're also lifting up, making ourselves nice and tall, creating that space between the hips and the rib cage to actually create the move. Knees are nice and soft, even though you're tucking under. Try and make sure you relax all your muscles. It's just your core working. Now, the twist is basically using, especially your oblique muscles here, to twist one hip forwards whilst the other one goes back. And we've all done the choppy checker twist down the pub or at a party, and that's fun too, but in this one it's really all about finding the muscles to create this really nice horizontal even twist. The knees are supporting you, but you're really creating it from up here. Okay? Now, if you weren't tucking under, you'd have a twist that looks like this, with what I like to call a bit of a duck butt. So you're going to be feeling more the movement here, whereas if you bring it underneath yourself, and yes, we've all got a natural curve here in your spine, but taking that into account, tucking under about 30% or so, by doing it then, you'll all of a sudden have changed the awareness of the move to up here, because your pelvis is nice and horizontal and it can twist undisrupted on your spine. This is actually a really good workout for your waist as well. So if you want to think of it as more of a workout, you can do that. And we can say twisting one hip forward, then the other one, and then the other again, and hold, and saying 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then every now and then we need a bit of a release, so we can have a little bit of a twist on there, a little bit of a shimmy if you like. And again, just twisting the hips very relaxed from side to side quite fast. Still maintaining that posture. The key thing is to try and keep your arms nice and relaxed. So we are going to change the arms slightly once we try and dance with this. But the main thing is to have a bit of resistance in your arms so that when you start twisting, your arms don't go like that. And they can also help you to really control this movement here. You can imagine you're holding on to an imaginary bar. It's made out of something delicate, because otherwise you'll be squishing your fingers on it. So try to keep it really, really elegant in the hands, and just having that resistance, that muscle tension in your arms. The weight on your feet should be roughly over your ankles, so that you're feeling nice and stable. Now let's try that together. We'll do a couple of triplets, so doing them in threes, and then some shimmies in between. So we're getting our posture sorted, lifting up, making sure we're nicely engaged, knees are nice and soft, and we're going to say 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Last one, and then shimmy, relax. Left and left, right and right, left, and shimmy, 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 shimmy. We'll also want to do other things with it. So we'll start moving it forward so we can actually move with it. The first step is going to be stepping slightly forwards on a diagonal. And this time I want to push my right hip forward a couple of times. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to shimmy in the middle. And again, stepping forwards on the left. So I've got flat foot here, right heel's off, and I'm going to push the left hip forwards, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and shimmy, 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 shimmy. We can have framing arms so that when we're stepping out, 1, 2, 3, and as we come back, we're going to have the arms here, and 1, 2, 3, and shimmy, 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 shimmy. Let's try that with a bit of music. So before we get started, make sure you get your posture right. Ankles, knees, hips, pulling up and in, lifting up, creating all that lovely dance space whilst maintaining soft knees. We're going to start with triplets on the right. We're going to hit forward, say left, right, last one, and then we're going to shimmy. Get yourself ready. We're doing it again. Right and right, left and left, right, and then shimmy. Left, right, left, right, little shimmy. We're going to step out on the right. We're going to say hit, 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 back, shimmy, left, out, 2, 3, back and shimmy, right, 2, 3, back and shimmy, back and shimmy. Back and shimmy. So there you've got some basic variations on your twists, just stationary. And like I said, there's another video in this series which goes over how to take it further. But do make sure you get your basic posture right first so that you can feel the move in all the right places, especially here. Have fun practicing. Thank you for watching.